Hello everyone. In this video I will show you how to write LinkedIn articles. Before it was called LinkedIn Pulse, now it's called a LinkedIn article. To make any post, or we call it article, first go to your homepage in LinkedIn. So once you are here, there is option to start a post. You have to choose write article. So to post any article, you need a cover photo and a heading and text. I already have everything with me, and the cover photo size will be a perfect photo size will be 1920 pixel width and 1080 height. So I will choose the photo. This is the photo. It was already designed, so I'll click next. Now I will go to write a title. This is also the heading. I have it here. Advantages of email marketing. I will write the company I'm working. Then here is the points. I will copy paste. So this is the content. When I copy paste, some coding has come here. I will delete it. I will redo it. I will make it. I'll make it plain text, then copy again. Now it is clear. So one of the advantage, you can link to your website. Also you can do the styling option. I'll do a little bit, make it bold, which will be good for your article. So here I will link to our website, add link. This is the website link. You will get a lot of traffic from this article. If it goes to viral, then it will be better. I'll click apply. So that's it. This is how it looks. And this is through a profile, a personal profile. You can write it through company also, whatever company you are managing. Then next is you can read my new article. Thank you. That's it. So publish. That's it. It's already there. So we can copy the link to the article. I copied it. Then I go to new tab and open it. So this is the article. It's already posted. As you can see, it is still called Pulse. The link is Pulse, but technically now it's called article in LinkedIn. So after the post, you can see it here. Even you can edit it. If any spelling mistakes are there, you can edit it. That's all for now. Thank you.